Let's say you are a filmmaker. You have a final breathtaking scene, your target destination. But the road to get there is currently a blank screen. Backcycling is how you build that road in reverse. Instead of starting at the beginning and wondering where to go, you start at the finish line and walk backward, placing stepping stones exactly where they need to be to make the arrival feel inevitable. We start with the simple destination, D minor 7. It's our home base, but on its own, it's just a single point on a map. To make the arrival at D minor 7 feel like a grand homecoming, we look at one step behind it. Its most natural partner, the magnet that pulls us home, is A7. But why stop there? We can go back further to E minor 7. To add a bit of spice, let's also drop a French sixth. Think of this as a specialized lighting effect that creates tension right before the resolution. When you chain these backward, you create a gravity well that pulls the listener toward the target. Once you have these stepping stones, you are not a prisoner to them. Think of these chords as colors on a palette. You can swirl them, delay them, or pivot between them. You might see a D flat major 7, and instead of rushing to the next point, you linger, moving back and forth like a tide against the shore before finally descending toward your D minor 7 goal. The D flat major 7 alternates with F major 7 before resolving to C. From there, a descending bass line leads to D minor, where the B flat 9 acts as a secondary dominant teasing to E flat minor, which then slides chromatically down to D minor. By expanding your palette with chromatic shifts and substitutions, you aren't just following a map, you are painting a landscape. The ultimate guide isn't the theory, it's your inner ear. It's the internal compass that ensures you don't just wander but travel with intent. Thank you for watching, and until next time.